Hey, do you want to learn how to use Modify Video by Luma Labs? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So currently I'm on lumalabs.ai and you need to click here on Try Now and Dream Machine in order to get to this page. They have a free plan, so you can get that, but you can also get the paid plan. So I have a link in the description. If you go through that and buy any of the paid plans on this website, it's going to help me out with a small commission. All right, so you just need to click here on the left hand side on editor. Let's click on upload media and upload a media file here. I would go over to Pixabay and find a video, for example, this one. Then click here on download and then download this .mp4 file, which is 1920 by 1080. Just click here to download it. Once you have done that, we're going to drag and drop that file over to our editor in Luma Labs. So there you go. It has been uploaded. It's a 13 seconds video. What we can do next is we can extend the video if you want with AI. We can also reframe it if you want to make it a 9:16 format instead of this long form format. There's also upscale if you want to turn it into 4K. There is an audio feature which is going to add audio to it. I'm going to show you later in this video. There is modify. This is what we're looking for. So let's click here on modify, the first button. We can trim the video like this, just drag the corners. So click and drag to the left to trim it. So let's just trim it to 7 seconds, then click on apply. On the right of this, we have got start frame and modify frame. If you want to do that, you can do it. There is strength here on the bottom. So if you click on this first button over here, this is adhere to structure and performance details. So you can see here that it just adds minimal animation to it. This is the original video, and this is the change that happens to the video is what we need. But I'm going to go forward and you can see that it adds more details to our video. You can also go to flex here. So 4th, 5th, and 6th option. You can see that it adds more motion to the video when we select the flex 3rd option. We've got reimagine. So it's going to completely change it like here. This is the main video and this is what it changes it to. So let's check this one out. Let's click on this reimagine structure. Now on the bottom, you've got describe your changes. You can describe. I can write in sci-fi dog with glasses, but you can also click here on suggestions and you can see here, you can make it in different style, camera angle, shot, lighting, and a lot more. So we're going to go with studio lighting and the 3D render or 3D animation. Then on the start, I'm going to type in something like this, sci-fi dog with glasses, studio lighting, and 3D animation style. Now let's click here on the bottom right to submit it. And there you go. This is what it has created. Now it does not look like sci-fi, but it did add the 3D effect to it with the glasses as well. This was the original one, and this is the modified version of it. Now you can upscale it if you want. What I'm going to do is add audio to it to show you what it does. So let's click here on audio and then click on add description. You can add a description if you want, but I'm just going to click on create. Right, so based on what it saw in the video, so it saw a dog, so it added barking sounds. That's what the use case for audio is. If you've got a scene, an AI video scene, and you want to add audio to it, you can just click here on audio to add the audio inside it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use the modify video feature in Luma Labs. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Luma AI related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.